Hi, I'm Sandy with Implementation Specialists, and today I'm going to show you our Customer Vendor Inquiry Plus tool. Using the Customer or Vendor Inquiry Plus window is a great way to view unposted, posted, or historical transactions for a specific customer or vendor. These inquiry windows allow you to drill down on specific aging periods to see the transactions that make up that amount. So here in GP, first we're going to take a look at the Customer Inquiry Plus. Both of the windows are under the Inquiry menu, wsTOOLS, and then we'll do Customer Inquiry Plus. I'll pick Customer, one of these. Okay, so this one has a lot of data here. You can see open is marked by default. We can also mark work and history or any combination of those. And then when we click on one of these buckets, then we see the transactions for that aging period. Let's go back here, and then we can drill down on any one of these and see more detail about that transaction. We can also come here and click the Excel icon to export all of the data to Excel if we want to dig into it more. And then let's also take a look at the Vendor Inquiry Plus window, again under wsTOOLS or Inquiry wsTOOLS. So here, let's take a look at this one. I think we've got some data here. So again, we can mark work, history, or whatever we want, and then click on one of those aging buckets. And you can see how the data changes, and again just double click on any of them to view the detail about the record, and again we can export to Excel here. And that is how the Customer and Vendor Inquiry Plus windows work. If you'd like to get in touch with us to learn more about Customer Vendor Inquiry Plus or any of our other great tools, here's how to do that, and thank you so much for watching.